What is up, RC enthusiasts? So you can see right here, I've got for you guys my two 144001s. I know they keep on coming out with these number things. I should just name these suckers, right? It's kind of hard to remember all those numbers. But anyway, so you can check it out right here. There's a newer version right here. That one comes with those two batteries right there. They claim to be 2600 mAh batteries, but they're a little smaller than my 2200 Fluorion, so I'm not sure if that's the right rating on that one. But anyway, they did update some stuff on this right here over this one. Not too big of a difference. They're still pretty much the same speed, same everything. They just upgraded some parts, so I'm going to go ahead and show that to you right here. First one you're going to notice are your shock mounts. As you can tell, they're a different color. They're actually a different grade of metal by the way I look at them. And so they might have made it a little stronger. But anyway, other than that, let me show you the other things they changed. Now obviously the controller is still the same. The charger is actually still the same and comes with a plastic wheel wrench. Now remember, you guys remember this one, the wheels like to come off on these guys, so tighten those or put some blue Loctite on them so they don't come off. But anyway, let's open this sucker up and I'm going to show you guys the other difference. Alright, now as you can see right here, they look pretty identical, right? Now the one thing they changed on the ESC right here, so you can tell this ESC has a power switch separate from the ESC, and this one has a button, a red button right there on the ESC that is actually part of the ESC, so no more separate switch for that one. Other than that, and the color of the shock towers, everything else seems to be the same. So yeah, I'm not going to waste my time on running this one right now since it is the same as this one. You guys can go ahead and check that video on that one. I did a 3S run on a little baseball field just to show you guys how crazy of a roost it can throw and how fast it actually goes. It's over 40 miles an hour on 3S and a brushed motor, so that's pretty insane for a tiny 14 scale. But anyway, one more thing I wanted to show you guys before I wrap this video up. Now the reason I'm just going to make this short little video for this one for now is I do plan to modify this one right here to a brushless. Since I did get this one now from them and I can have a new spare one, I'm going to sit that on the shelf for now, keep that as a spare, and I'm going to build this one right here and turn it into a brushless. I really like this rig a lot. It is a cool buggy, really good for racing if maybe your area or town wants to start a 14 scale buggy racing class. These are the buggies right here. They handle really well and they're not too bad of a price either. But now let me show you one thing that people seem to have had problems with getting this newer version with the bigger batteries. Now they didn't change the strap. Now that's one thing, the strap is still meant for this tiny little guy. It's 1500 2-cell. Now with this one, you can tell the battery location is still in its original location for that small battery, so they didn't even upgrade that or update that for you guys. They just left it there and expected you to know what to do. But anyway, you see these two spare holes down here? You just have to move this mount that you see right there, that plastic mount I'm sliding my finger across. You need to move that from the two holes it's on, which are these two screws right here. You need to move it out here. Now that will accommodate the bigger batteries. I've already done that to this one, so I'll show you that with this guy. As you can tell, I moved it from this two to these two right here. And yes, I do bash the crap out of this one. Look at that. It's been handling pretty well for me. And as you can see right here, this is still the original strap, same strap that's on that guy right there. All I did was, instead of having it run underneath the battery like it used to and then wrap above, now I just have this end right here, if you can tell. I just slipped the whole thing through this side, went all the way through this side, and now I wrap this on top of the battery. So let me slide a battery in here, and I'll show you guys what I mean. So now I just put this on top of that strap, like so. And there you go, and all you gotta do is tighten this right here, and you got your battery in there. Obviously I didn't tighten it enough. You tighten this some more by pulling on it, but as you can tell, my battery's loose in there. But I'm just showing you that you can use the original strap that it came with, so you don't have to buy an extra strap or anything. It is ready to go out the box. With a little bit of innovative thinking, you can get them to work. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't want to make this video too long for this. I am going to have a running video of this guy again when it's brushless and stuff, just to show you guys, and I don't really feel like I need to run this one because they are the same rig. It's just an updated ESC with an updated button for power, but it is the same ESC still. They look exactly alike. And yeah, pretty much that's it for these guys for now. So yeah guys, there you go. Two sweet little WLToys. I really like this rig. Oil-filled shocks, metal ring and pinion gears, metal drive shafts, metal out drives, metal center drive shaft, and a 540 motor and something this tiny is pretty awesome. Alright guys, don't want to take more of your time. Until next time when we start modding this one right here. You guys have fun out there and always be safe and go run that RC.